Looking for a fun and interactive way to engage your students? Meet the Question Quest game for Google Slides, the perfect Jeopardy-style game designed to enhance classroom learning. It's easy to play Question Quest. After setting up, simply click Start Game, and you'll see the game board with 5 categories, each containing 5 questions. Players select a category and choose the box with the point value they want to play. With a click, the corresponding question is displayed. The excitement builds as students prepare to answer. When a question is answered, click to reveal the correct answer, and effortlessly assign points to either Team A or Team B. Once a question is played, it disappears from the board, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted gameplay. It's as simple as that. Interactive, engaging, and fun for the entire class. The game flow is seamless from start to finish. Now, let's walk through how easy it is to configure Question Quest. First, import one of our pre-built Google Slides templates, which comes with a game board slide, question and answer slides already set up for you. Next, you'll copy a pre-designed Google Sheets file where you can add your own questions and answers. This Google Sheets file has 5 columns as shown: the item code, category name, points, question, and answer. You can customize all 25 questions across 5 categories in minutes. Then, simply provide the spreadsheet URL to the extension, and your questions are imported into the slides automatically. You can even customize the sounds. Upload your own sound effects for scoring, question reveals, and answer reveals. It's quick and intuitive, so you can focus more on the fun and less on the setup. Installing Question Quest to your Google Slide is simple. Simply visit the Google Workspace Marketplace link provided in the description and click Install. But wait, ready to try Question Quest in your own classroom? Get a free template with full feature access for 7 days. You'll get to experience all the premium features, customizable questions, real-time score tracking, and sound effects. Just click the link below to grab your template and start transforming your lessons into an engaging and interactive experience. Download your free template today and give your students the learning experience they won't forget. Don't forget to click like and subscribe so you'll be notified once we have another free template or game for you to try in your classroom. Until next time, continue to make your lessons engaging. See you soon.